Are you stuck with 403 error and can't access the website through Python request library? Let's quickly break down what this means and how can you fix it. A 403 forbidden error happens when a server blocks your access. This could be due to incorrect permission, blocked IP address, or needing proper login credentials. First, many websites detect requests from tools like Python request library as bots, not valid browsers, so they block them with a 403 error. Also, if you are sending too many requests too quickly, the server might think it's an attack and block your IP address. Some websites require login credentials to access certain content. For example, trying to scrape data from LinkedIn or a members only forum without logging in will often lead to 403 error. Let's dive into 3 effective methods to bypass this error. Make sure to watch till end. Alright, let's start with our first method, setting a user agent header. Websites often block requests that don't have a legitimate user agent. By default, Python's request library sends a very generic user agent string, which many websites block. Let's see how to set a custom user agent to mimic a real browser. As you can see, we have set a user agent header to mimic a request from a Chrome browser. Let's run this code. There you go. If you see a status code of flu 100, it means we have successfully bypassed the 403 forbidden error. Simple and effective. Let's move to our second method, using cookies. Some websites require a session or authentication cookie to grant access. If you have these cookies from a previous session, you can include them in your request. In this code, we added a cookies dictionary with a session ID. If the website accepts our cookies, we should bypass the 403 error. Just make sure to replace the session ID with a valid one from your browser. The third method is using proxies. Some websites block requests based on the IP address. If you are getting blocked, using a proxy server might help. To get a free proxy list, you can visit this website. Here you will find different proxy servers. Copy the IP and the port number. Here we specify the proxy server in the proxies dictionary. Make sure to replace the placeholder with an actual proxy address. And there you have it. 3 simple methods to bypass a 403 forbidden error when making a request in Python. Remember to use these methods responsibly and always respect the website's robot.txt and term of service. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comment box. See you in the next video.